Today I am to present the urban space through the eyes of an architect with a simple and quick sketch. 안녕하세요. 숨은 플레이스의 도시건축가원입니다. Hello, I'm an urban architect at Sun Place. I was born and raised in Korea for the most part, but after studying landscape architecture and urban design at the University of Pennsylvania, I'm now working in urban architecture in the United States and Korea. I would like to share my thoughts on the beautiful places of the city with those who are interested in art and space through my drawings. I chose to depict the square space in front of the Seoul Museum of Art, where the green space appeared as a facade of the building in this painting. The actual building and green space blend together, creating a new facade as space for those who look upon it, offering a fresh perspective. It seems that this combination of architecture and green space could serve as a starting point for generating alternative spatial ideas and thinking about facades in a different way. First, I sketched the basic placement with a pencil before starting the drawing. I established the position of the central tree and then proceeded to draw the shape of the building behind it. I add more shading to the buildings, creating a sense of depth, and then finalize the overall atmosphere to complete the drawing. I would love to continue exploring the beautiful spaces within the city through sketching together. Thank you.